So hey guys, I'm back again with one new video. So today we are making Pop It Fidget. So let's get started with this video without any further ado. So friends, for this we need a butterfly which I have sticked on a paper. This is foam sticker. So first we will cover it with the tape, and then after that we will be going to so guys, over here I am taking one ziploc type packet. So and I am putting butterfly in my that packet, and now I am adding some glitter. It's dry glitter, you can use a liquid glitter also, and let's mix it. So guys, it's ready, and now we will pouring this, and now one secret ingredient is here. Now we will put in glue to make it more good. So friends, now our Pop It Fidget is ready. So I hope that you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram ID Vanya's Craft World. Thanks for watching.